Hi, this is me, Teacher Vee. Today, let us learn about demonstrative pronouns. What is demonstrative pronouns? Demonstrative pronouns used to show or identify a number or number of nouns that is near or far in distance. The following are the 4 demonstrative pronouns. Let us have this and these. This and these are used to show or identify a thing or things that is near from you, while that and those used to refer a thing or things that is far from you or far from the speaker. Let's have our example. This is my apple. These are my apples. Take note of our noun. Apple, apples. Now, let us have that and those. That is my apple. Those are my apples. Alright, take note of our noun. Apple, apples. Alright, that's all for today. This is me, Teacher Vee. Hope to see you in my class and have fun learning English. Bye-bye!